Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a new design library so you could take your favorite design elements from one site and drop them into another in an instant. Let's get started. Here on the Wix Studio Editor, click the logo icon, the Wix logo icon, go to Tools and go to Libraries. Click on Create New Library. You can choose what you want to include from site styles, so typography, colors, assets, or you can leave them blank by not choosing anything. Then click on Create. Here, add a name to your newly created library. And if you'd like to share it to, say, for example, your team members or collaborators, you can also enable sharing, input their email addresses here, or copy this link and send it to them. So now, every time you want to save an asset or an element as an asset, just say, for example, this text or maybe this entire section, simply right click, look for Save as Asset, and on this pop up window, give this asset a name. And on this drop down, select the library you'd like to save this asset to. If it's not showing on the editor yet, you can try to reload the page and do it again. So let's select our section, right click, save as asset, rename it, and add it to our newly created library earlier, and click on add. And once we go to our library, we should be able to see that here. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.